Hey everybody, it's Ripley Sartain with Wisconsin Wonder Garden, and I just wanted to do a quick video on the fact that we hit 1 million views last week. So I'm really thankful for how much you guys have been spending on my channel, how many videos you've been watching, all of the likes and shares that we're getting as well. It's really great to see a group of people flourishing like this. You know, I consider this something where I'm helping others get to learn how to garden, and I'm helping them grow in their daily lives, because gardening to me is a really special thing. It's a spiritual thing, and I think that the more people we're able to introduce to gardening, the more people will get that sort of influence as well. So, you know, not to get too personal on you guys, but I just wanted to point that out and show you why I'm so excited about what's going on in the channel. Wisconsin Wonder Garden shop is up and running. If you can find it, the link will be down below. We got all sorts of products on there, and that's been doing okay as well. We're planning on growing it even more than it is now, and trying to work on setting up different venues and maybe even a few different websites for that kind of stuff as well, like basically online media, articles, things like that. That's going to be in the works here with Wisconsin Wonder Garden, so I'm super excited about that. Right now, we're just under 7,000 subscribers, so thank you all so much for subscribing. It means a lot. It definitely helps out because, again, it's a community thing, and the more subscribers we have, the better and stronger community we have as well. Thank you all so much for watching the videos. Let me know in the comment section down below what you've enjoyed the most on this channel and what you are looking forward to in the future the most. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure. Take care.